Have you ever wondered if there are specific words or subtle cues that can irresistibly invite intimacy? Whether you're trying to deepen an existing relationship or create a special connection with someone new, the power of language and how you express yourself can transform your approach to relationships forever. In today's video, we'll explore how to communicate your desires effectively without fear of rejection and build intimate, meaningful connections. If you're interested in mastering the art of intimate communication, stay with us until the end for practical tips that could change your love life. Section 1. The power of language in building intimacy. When it comes to attracting someone, many believe that physical appearance is the key factor. While it's true that looks can catch someone's eye, the real magic happens when you connect on a deeper level. The words you choose and how you deliver them can create a strong emotional connection that goes beyond mere attraction. Words have the power to convey your intentions, desires, and feelings in a way that resonates with the other person on a profound level. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. The sincerity in your tone, the warmth in your voice, and the confidence in your delivery all play a crucial role in how your message is received. Consider this. When you first meet someone, it's often the conversation that determines whether a connection is made or not. A person who can engage in meaningful, thoughtful dialogue will always stand out. This is because they can communicate not only their thoughts, but also their emotions, values, and intentions in a way that feels genuine and relatable. This kind of communication forms the foundation of a lasting connection. Section 2. Building emotional intimacy. The key to creating a deeper bond. Psychological approach. Building emotional intimacy is crucial for creating a deeper, more meaningful bond. In any relationship, emotional intimacy is the foundation upon which trust, vulnerability, and genuine connection are built. It's this emotional closeness that naturally paves the way for physical intimacy, making it feel more authentic and fulfilling. Trust is the cornerstone of emotional intimacy. To build trust, it's essential to be reliable, honest, and consistent in your actions. Show that you are someone who can be depended upon, someone who keeps their word and respects boundaries. This establishes a sense of security, which is vital for both partners to open up and share their true selves. Vulnerability is another critical element. Sharing your fears, dreams, and insecurities with your partner creates a space where they feel comfortable doing the same. This mutual exchange of emotions deepens the connection, allowing both of you to feel understood and valued on a deeper level. It's through this vulnerability that you create a bond that goes beyond the superficial, leading to a stronger emotional connection. Open communication is the glue that holds emotional intimacy together. Encourage honest conversations where both of you feel free to express your thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. Listen actively and respond with empathy, showing that you truly care about your partner's emotions. This not only strengthens the emotional bond, but also lays the groundwork for physical intimacy to develop naturally. When emotional intimacy is nurtured, physical intimacy becomes a natural extension of the deep connection you've created. It's not just about being close physically, but about feeling truly connected on every level, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. This holistic connection makes the experience of intimacy more meaningful and satisfying, leading to a relationship that is rich, deep, and enduring. Section 3. The role of nonverbal communication. While words are powerful, how you express them physically is equally important. Nonverbal cues such as eye contact, body language, and even subtle gestures can significantly enhance the message you're trying to convey. When your verbal and nonverbal communication aligns, it creates a cohesive narrative that can make your intentions clear without saying too much. For instance, maintaining eye contact while speaking can convey confidence and sincerity. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder, paired with a warm smile, can reinforce the emotional connection you're trying to build. These subtle actions, when combined with carefully chosen words, can create a moment of intimacy that feels natural and unforced. Section 4. Crafting the perfect invitation. When it comes to inviting intimacy, the key is subtlety and timing. One effective approach is to softly whisper something like, "I really enjoy spending time with you. Would you like to come over to my place?" The whisper itself adds a layer of intimacy, creating a private moment between the two of you. While the invitation may not sound perfectly smooth, a touch of clumsiness can actually make it more endearing. It shows that you're being genuine and not following a rehearsed script, which can make you more relatable and approachable. The physical closeness of whispering in her ear naturally fosters a sense of privacy and connection. It's essential to be mindful of the context and ensure that the moment feels right. This approach works best when there is already a level of comfort and trust between you. If she responds positively to your invitation, it's a strong indicator that she's open to deepening the connection. Section 5. Using shared activities as a bridge to intimacy. Another effective strategy is to frame the invitation as a shared activity, like watching a movie or having a drink at your place. This creates a more casual and comfortable scenario where intimacy can develop naturally. For example, saying, "I've got that movie we talked about. How about we watch it together at my place?" can feel less direct and more inviting. This approach allows both of you to relax and enjoy each other's company without feeling pressured. It also provides an opportunity to gauge her interest and comfort level in a more subtle way. If she agrees to come over, it's a positive sign that she's interested in spending more private time with you. If she seems hesitant, it's important to respect her boundaries and adjust your approach accordingly. Section 6. Unlocking her desire. How to subtly encourage intimacy. Psychological insights. Unlocking a woman's desire involves creating a space where she feels safe, valued, and understood. The first step is to foster an environment of comfort. This means being patient, respectful, and attentive. Building trust is key. She needs to know that you're genuinely interested in her well-being and not just focused on your desires. Pay attention to her body language and verbal cues. These are often subtle indicators of her comfort level. For instance, if she leans in or mirrors your actions, body language is a powerful tool in subtly encouraging intimacy. Use gentle touches, such as lightly brushing her hand or maintaining eye contact, to create a sense of closeness. Your actions should be natural and unforced, reinforcing the bond without making her feel pressured. Understanding her cues is essential. If she seems hesitant or pulls away, respect her boundaries. Encourage open communication by asking her how she feels and being genuinely interested in her responses. This approach not only deepens the emotional connection, but also allows intimacy to develop naturally and mutually, creating a bond that feels genuine and fulfilling for both of you. Conclusion. Building intimacy is about more than just physical attraction. It's about creating moments of genuine connection through thoughtful communication and attentive listening. Whether you choose to whisper a direct invitation or suggest a shared activity, The key is to be genuine, respectful, and mindful of her feelings. Remember, it's not just about the words you use, but how you use them and the sincerity behind them. That will make a lasting impression. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more relationship advice. And if you're still with me, comment with the number 1 below. I'd love to know what you think. Until next time, take care, and may your words be as powerful as your intentions.